today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Docs QR code. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few key steps you need to follow to ensure everything works smoothly. First and foremost, we need to make sure that the document or project you want to share is set up to be shareable. This step is crucial because we are creating a QR code specifically for sharing your document. If your project is currently restricted, it won't be accessible to others through the QR code. To change that, head over to your Google Docs and look for a small lock icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is next to where it says Share. Go ahead and click on this lock icon. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with different sharing options. You'll want to change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. By selecting this option, you're allowing anyone who has the link or soon-to-be QR code to access your document. Once you've set the sharing permissions correctly, you'll need to copy the link. This is easily done by clicking on the button that says Copy Link. With your link in hand, it's time to move on to the next step, which involves generating the QR code itself. For this part, we'll be using an online service called www.meqr.com. Open your web browser and type in this URL to access the site. It's quite user-friendly, so don't worry if you haven't used it before. Once you're on the website, you should see a space where you can paste the link you copied from Google Docs. After pasting the link into the designated area, look for a button that says Customize and Download QR. Click on this button and the website will generate a QR code for you. It's as simple as that. To finalize, click Download QR to save your QR code onto your device. And there you have it. You've created a QR code for your Google Docs project. And now you can use it to share your document easily by simply displaying the QR code for others to scan with their devices. This method is incredibly useful for sharing documents quickly, whether it's for a business meeting, a classroom setting, or any other collaborative effort. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found the instructions helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback, and subscribe to stay updated with more handy tutorials like this one.